Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you all are fine and safe in your home. Please take care of yourself and your family. Today we are going to start our third video lecture of class 6 English, and this is our textbook. In last two lecture we learned and read unit 1, and today we will start unit 2. That's name is Faisal's New Football on book page number 13. So all the student open your book page number 13, hold your pencil in your hand and start to read with me. The chapter name is Faisal's New Football. Faisal's New Football. In this chapter, there is a little boy. His name is Faisal, and this is a picture of his mother, and there are also some other common friend. So let's start to read this chapter. Okay, the story of this chapter is that Faisal's love to play football. He got new football and went to the playground. But when his friend and he started to play with it, Faisal got angry that I can't share it. But at last he got ashamed on his behavior and so on. So let's start to read with me. Ahmad and Faisal are brothers. Liked mean पसंद करना, to play football very much. Almost every afternoon. Almost mean तकरीबन, afternoon mean दोपहर के बाद. You could see them playing in the school field. School field means school का मैदान. One day Ahmad's ball burst. Ahmad's ball burst. Ahmad's ball mean burst mean फट गया and could not be mended. Mended mean दोबारा दुरुस्त ना हो सकना, मुरम्मत ना हो सकना. They went home sad and disappointed. Sad mean उदास and disappointed mean मायूस होना. For neither of them had enough money to buy a new one. When Faisal reached home mean पहुँचना, home mean घर. He was surprised mean हैरान होना, to see a new football on the table. His mother told him that his uncle from Malaysia has just visited them. He knew Faisal liked to play football, so he had bought him a football as a present. Present mean tofa. Who bring a present? Faisal's uncle from Malaysia bring a present for him. Okay, for his 10th birthday. Faisal was overjoyed mean खुशी से बेकाबू होना. He bounced a ball. Bounced mean उछालना and threw it up and down. That night he slept with his ball beside his pillow. यानी pillow mean तकिया. Beside his pillow he slept with ball. He dreamed mean ख्वाबाना. He played with very well in a match against another class. He scored many goals with his ball. Okay, what happened the next? Let's turn the page. You can see that here is a Faisal playing with his friend in a playground. Okay, what happened next? Next day, अगले दिन Faisal went to see Ahmad. Okay, now Ahmad is actually his friend, not his brother. Went to see Ahmad. He showed his friend. Showed means दिखाना, जाहिर करना. His friend the new ball and said, "Come, let's go to the field." Let's go means आओ खेलते हैं. To the field mean मैदान की तरफ. In the field, Faisal held mean पकड़ना. His ball tightly mean सख्ती से. Come on, Faisal, let's go off the ball. We want to play now, said Ahmad. Impatiently mean बेसब्री से. Reluctantly बेदिली से, बगैर दिल के. Faisal threw the ball to Ahmad, who gave it a hard kick. Hard mean जोर की kick लगाना. The football went straight into the goal. Straight mean बिल्कुल सीधा. With loud whoops. Whoops mean चीख of joy, and the other boy enjoyed the kick. Faisal could not bear to see his new ball being kicked so hard. Don't kick it so hard. You will spoil it. Spoil it mean खराब कर रहे हो. He yelled mean चिल्लाना. Don't be silly. Silly mean बेवकूफ. Faisal said Ahmad, how can we play if we don't kick hard? I don't care. Give it back to me. Faisal ran after the ball. He took it and ran home with it. Actually, he became selfish. Okay, because he loved his football very much, and he can't share it even with his friends. At home, Faisal played football with his younger brother in the garden. Younger brother mean छोटे भाई के साथ. It was not excited at all. Excited mean पुरजोश या खुशी से. For his brother was too young to kick properly. Properly mean मुकम्मल तौर से. So he kicked the ball to the wall. It bounced back and he kicked again, but it wasn't any fun at It wasn't any fun at all. He sat down mean बैठ गया, and then he switched on the TV. Switch on mean TV लगा लिया and started to watch a football match. Now he became some feeling ashamed on his behave. Okay, dear student, before going next reading, you can notice the word like tightly, impatiently, properly. These all are the word or adverb. Adverb mean adding a meaning in a verb. You can notice the verb is ending with a ly, like tightly, impatiently, reluctantly, properly. These all are the adverb. These all are the adverb. Now turn your book page number 15. Okay, what happened next? After a while mean कुछ देर बाद, he took his ball and went back to the field again. Now he went back to the field again. The boys were having a game. Somehow they found a ball. They found a ball at last from someone other, and were now playing vigorously mean ताकत के साथ, जोश के साथ. Faisal sat mean बैठ गया near the sideline and watched them playing, और उन्हें देखने लगा. Suddenly अचानक the game stopped. A boy was holding the ball and examining it. Examining mean देखना, notice करना, जायजा लेना. The other boys crowded mean भीड़ लगाना around him. Faisal also went to join them. The football has burst mean फट चुका था. Said the boys with the football, we must get another ball, otherwise we have to postpone the game. Now their ball has burst, and now they need a new football, another ball. Okay, I have a ball, said a boy who was watching the game. My grandfather bought it for me yesterday. I will go and get it. Now the other children said that my grandmother bought a new football for me yesterday. I will bring it. It is very kind of you, said Ahmed, but we don't want to trouble you. Trouble mean खतरे में डालना, मुसीबत में डालना. Not at all, said the boy. My teacher always tell us to help one another. Dear student, this is the message from the unit, that must share your thing and help one another. Beside, I enjoy watching the game. Beside, बजाय इसके enjoying the game, let's me go now. I will come back in 15 minutes. 15 minutes mean मैं 15 मिनट में वापस आता हूँ. Now at the last, when Faisal heard mean सुना उसने, he was ashamed. Ashamed mean शर्मिंदा होना of himself, खुद पे. He had been too selfish. Selfish mean खुद गर्ज होना. He hurried mean जल्दी से to the boy and said, you don't have to go back. तुम वापस मत छो. They can play with my ball. They can play with my ball. So saying, he gave the ball a hard kick. Hard mean जोर से किक लगाना. It flew to the center. Flew mean उड़ा to the center of the field. Center mean बिल्कुल बीच में. The boys cheered Faisal loudly. Loudly mean जोर से, ऊंची आवाज में. They asked him to join them. Now they wanted to that Faisal should be joined the game. They continued, जारी रखना. The boys, it was the best game Faisal had ever played. कभी जो उसने ज़िंदगी में खेली थी. तो dear student, this message of this chapter is that share your things with your friends. This is our happiness and this is our main recreation. Okay, now all the student, you can notice question answer mention book page number 16. Answer question, you have to solve. You can take help from your planner and replace the underlined word in the sentence with the following word. Exercise B, you can notice the planner, all the question answer are mentioned here. You can take help from it and must write on your separate sheets or register. I hope that you learn many more, and we will meet again inshallah. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.